Hi there guys,
Welcome back to our channel.
Silver Fanatic.
Yes guys.
Okay guys, today we just want to talk about the juicy, I won't say juicy news.
Yeah,
It looks
it's
like
a common news.
yeah, it's rumors, properly phrased rumors guys.
Yeah.
It looks like India wants to pull out of the Brics currency, but I think we'll touch on that later on the video.
Stay tuned.
Yes guys, the most important is that guys, people are waking up guys.
That's true.
People are starting to talk about
These things
that are in front of you guys, and they're talking about the currency, about the US, about the dollar, and about the Brics currency that's happening in August 22 August at ICC Durban.
I'm not sure of the date, but it's August.
It's August,
sure. Yeah.
yes, at ICC in Durban, guys. So people are talking about that things. So it goes back to where we mentioned that we need to flood YouTube with these videos, guys.
Yes, that's
when
true.
the time is right, people will search for them, and they will get the knowledge, and it shows that people are starting to search and getting the knowledge, guys.
And with that search, people don't think US hold the amount of gold that they think they say they are holding.
We mentioned that one on our previous video, that we don't think that US, as per stats, they hold the amount of gold that they say they hold according to the stats. So I think if it's like that, I think it's time for them as well to back the US dollar with gold.
Yeah.
Yes, to fight the Brics, because Brics is planning to do that.
Yeah.
To back the currency with gold. So I think if they want to save the dollar, they need to do that as well.
Exactly. I think so too.
Yeah.
Yeah, and Russia, China, and India, they're buying gold like crazy.
It's like in style.
Yeah.
It's like gold just on fashion.
Yeah,
but in true speaking terms, guys, gold is in fashion. It's just that people don't know about it. That is why we're saying it's like in style, because a thing that is in style, everybody knows about it. Everybody wants to have it. But that is why we're phrasing it like in style.
Yeah.
Because I think they said by the end of this year,
they want more gold than they have now.
They want to have the most gold worldwide, guys. So it means that they are still accumulating.
Yeah.
Even though we suspect that it's either Russia, China, or India that is holding most amount of gold. As we mentioned on our previous video, between those three guys. Yeah.
But I think between the two, Russia and China.
Mostly,
yeah. Yeah,
don't
but
count
we're not
out
sure.
India.
Hey, India.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Don't count them out.
I don't count them
You rather
out.
count US out.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. I think about the rumor, guys, that India is thinking of pulling out of the Brics currency, guys. I think we don't know whether it's rumors or it's facts, but at this point, we would like to refer to it as rumors.
Because they don't trust what?
The China guys. Yeah. They feel that China doesn't want to share.
Yeah.
China does not like to share. China just wants to conquer. And everybody knows that.
Everybody knows that.
China doesn't really like to...
They don't believe in sharing.
In sharing, it's not their style, it's not in their DNA. And I think all the countries that are in the Brics nation,
they also don't
they know
trust.
They know that China doesn't really like to share.
I think everyone is playing chess in Brics Nation.
I think they are playing chess.
Yeah, I think
sooner or later we'll
hear checkmate.
We'll hear checkmate. That's so true. That's so true. Everybody's playing chess. But we will see.
Yeah.
We will see. As we've just mentioned that China does not like to share, they like to conquer. So that's why India is pulling from the Brics nation, because they feel that they need to protect what they've worked hard for. So now they feel that China at some stage will turn against everyone in the Brics currency and go as notorious as they are to conquer.
They're not pulling out of the Brics nation, they're pulling out of the currency. That's what the rumor is about. Is it true?
Brics currency.
Currency, not the nation, not be part of the...
I don't know much, but I would say they're pulling out of the Brics currency. Currency or the Brics nation. I'm not too sure. Or entire thing, I'm not too sure. Because they seem to be really afraid. Yes, they are really afraid.
So if you know something about that,
if you know more, comment below whether they're pulling out of the Bric currency.
Or the Bric nation is
or the
breaking their agreement. We're not sure.
We're truly not sure.
Or they're siding with you, Western nations.
With the Western.
We're not sure.
Comment below, guys.
If you know something.
If you know, just tell us what you know about these rumors. Are they facts or they rumors for now? If you have heard anything about it.
That's true. And don't forget about silver.
This, guys, what I'm holding in my hand. Don't forget about it. We might be talking about gold for now. Gold. Because the reason we are talking about gold so much, as you can see, we have not forgotten about silver. We're still showing silver a lot in our channel. We are talking about gold. The reason we are talking about gold right now, it's because of this currency war that we are faced with. Because this is a currency war. I would declare it as a currency war, as we mentioned.
Currency war.
Yes, as we mentioned on our
nuclear war.
As we mentioned on our video
before.
That this is a currency war. So guys.
As soon as the currency war is over, the silver will skyrocket. Everybody
will be holding this, guys. Everybody will be holding silver and would start skyrocketing because people will be talking about the
green energy projects.
Yes,
that will rise.
They will rise, guys, because nobody is talking about that for now. They're talking about currencies, CBDCs and all that. But once this is done, the currency war, it's coming back. People will be talking about the green energy, and that's where silver and copper is mostly needed. Yes.
Those AI are coming. Those what's a carbon what's where they you pay for your carbon that you use. I forgot the name of it. They will come.
I don't know. I don't know about that one. I don't know about that one. Guys, we recommend you buy this, guys. A round, guys. If you're still coming into silver and don't have silver, you just buy a round. This one. I can't say it's cheap because now silver is expensive.
It's almost the same as
it's almost the same price, but slightly cheaper than the bullion. Yes, guys. I can say you can just go for that one.
That's true.
The round. Okay.
I think that's our video.
That's all for today, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, to the channel.
And comment below if you are team silver, just say silver.
Yes.
If you are team gold, just say gold.
If
and
you
can put just comment below.
Comment below, guys. If you are team silver, just say silver. If you are team gold, just say gold. Guys. Okay. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe, guys. And especially if you have reached this far of the video.
Thank you. Bye.